Oh my god. Open, open, open.
Oh my god, bro, our cuisine was in the water!
No! No! No!
Oh shit, it's gone, it's gone! It's got electricity attached to it, bro!
No,
Did they unplug it?
I don't know.
Nobody touched the swimming pool!
Okay.
I'm scared to open the door.
We're checking the front door right now. Here we go. Here we go. The front is okay. The front is okay, guys. Woo! You look like Batman out here. Wow. I mean, guys, this is crazy. I'm gonna go.
I'm wearing my Hermes!
You're wearing Hermes? Why are you wearing Hermes?
Bro, the lights just went out.
Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come from here, come from here. Woo! Go, 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 go. Go. Woo!
My makeup's stripping.
Yo. I'm not coming! Guys, Lana's unplugging it. You're gonna get electrocuted. Leave it! Why do you care? Why do you care?
Because there's electrical wire in the swimming pool.
No one's going swimming now. Oh my god.
We gotta buy a new one now.
Yeah. Oh my god. The umbrella on the Rolls Royce gets used. This is the Rolls Royce umbrella. There we go.
We never used it. Wow.
Come on, open it up. Do you think the Rolls Royce umbrella can withstand this? It's a pretty good umbrella. Guys, look at this. Finally, we got to use the Rolls Royce umbrella. Wow. There we go.
Oh my god, bro, our cuisine was in the water!
No! No! No!
Oh shit, it's gone, it's gone!
What is he doing? What? I don't think that works. Alright, so we made it, guys. Look at this. Oh my god. Ahmed, here you go. Take this. So Ahmed's going back.
I'm bringing some coffees.
Yalla, go get the drink.
It's official. Rest in peace.